Coming up tonight, 2012 Coca Cola Games comes to an end. The President thanks Fiji Scouting Association for helping the youth in Fiji, and elderly sisters think highly of Fiji. Good evening, I'm Mike Ranamalo. Marist Brothers High School today broke a 5-year drought by being crowned the winners of the 2012 Coca Cola Games in the boys division. They bagged 17 gold, 7 silver and 3 bronze. Meanwhile, Andidakumbau School were crowned winners in the girls division for the 12th year in a row. Minister for Sports Viliamina Porto, while closing the 2012 Coca Cola Games, revealed that the National Stadium will be closed for 1 year. This is to carry out renovation works at the stadium. The stadium will be closed from tomorrow. The President, His Excellency Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, today thanked the Fiji Scouting Association for their dedication towards their oath of helping the youth in the country. Speaking at the Scouting Association annual general meeting, Ratu Epeli congratulated the association, which has members in the likes of Education Ministry Permanent Secretary Dr. Bridgelal, amongst other well-known figures.
The Fiji Scouting Association today held the annual general meeting, and the President, His Excellency Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, presided over the meeting at Government House.
On the calendar of my program for the year. So I look forward to this day every year, because I come into contact with those people, such as yourself, who are working for the good of the country, and particularly for the youth of this country. They're the most important category of people that we have, and we have to ensure that we look after them, guide them, put them into areas where they're challenged, not where they're nursed, where they're challenged. And the Scout Association of Fiji does that.
The President was informed that the association has grown in numbers with 5,455 active members in 2011. This was attributed to the support shown by the Fijian government, where Scouts became a part of the curriculum last year in primary schools. The President was also informed that as a result of the increase, there have been more than 10 conferences alone targeted at training young leaders.
New Zealand Foreign Minister Murray Macaulay is to join a high-level Pacific Islands Forum delegation, which will pay a visit to Fiji next week.
New Zealand's Foreign Minister Murray Macaulay will be in the country on Monday as part of Pacific Islands Forum's Ministerial Contact Group visit. This is after the Fijian government gave the green light for the team to visit the country. In a statement, Macaulay says the visit will enable the MCG to resume direct dialogue with Fiji after a significant change, adding next week's meeting comes at a pivotal time for Fiji and following a number of positive developments. The statement adds that some of the developments that are positive include government's decision to commence voter registration, the establishment of the Constitutional Commission, and the commencement of a public dialogue on the Constitution on which elections will be held. Macaulay says New Zealand needed to help Fiji put in place free and fair elections by assisting with public education programs.
Coming up after the break, more drugs given for animals affected by floods, and resort saves up for rainy days.